This is just a little video on how the EGR valves in this E320 CDI can actually cause misfiring at idle. I've been having this problem forever. I have changed numerous components on this car trying to get this to stop. It's not really a problem per se with drivability. I still drive the car every day to and from work. It's my daily driver. It's just kind of an annoyance. The car misfires and stumbles and spits a little bit when the car's warm. Not when it's cold and it's warming up. It does not spit or sputter at all. Only when the car is warm and not hot either. But basically what happens is this EGR valve, it's electronically controlled, this moves up and down. It pushes that valve open or holds it closed. And what happens is when I start the engine, and I just watched this happen several times, I start the car and the EGR valve here, the electronic actuator here, pushes this down about halfway and it causes the engine to start misfiring at idle. Now I don't know why that is. Probably some sensor or something on the car. I have no idea where. It's not throwing any codes. I have the star scanner as well, and it's not throwing any codes, so I have no idea what to replace here. But I'm not about to just start replacing every sensor. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an EGR bypass kit, which is an electronic kit that basically fools the computer into thinking that the EGR is working correctly when it's not. And it keeps this thing closed all the time, which makes your engine breathe better anyway. But I'm going to show you basically what happens here and the effect that this EGR valve has on the idle of your engine, because other people that might have misfiring problems in the future, this might be your solution, and I would check it out. I'm going to go ahead and start the car here and show you what I'm talking about. I did unplug the EGR valve, by the way, just to demonstrate to you. Not running great right now because it's in limp mode, but still. If I press down on this, listen to the engine. Barely stays running. And it does that. It sits there for a while, and the EGR itself will hold itself in that position for several seconds when I start the car. You let go of it, it goes back to normal, and the car runs beautifully. No misfiring, no nothing. Now, I'm going to see if I can get it to duplicate this problem by plugging the EGR back in. See how it just pulled it down right there? That causes the engine to start misfiring after you start the car. It's not, I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that, but it's definitely causing an issue on my car. It's causing misfiring. So for anyone having that similar issue or trying to trace down a misfire that it's not fuel system related or anything like that, this could be your culprit right here. Comment if you have any questions or concerns.